Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about everything you need to know about guitars. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this video will provide you with all the essential information about guitars. So let's start with the basics. A guitar is a stringed instrument that produces sound by vibrating the strings. The two most common types of guitars are acoustic and electric. An acoustic guitar is a type of guitar that produces sound acoustically, meaning the sound is produced solely by the vibration of the strings. They are typically made of wood and do not require any external amplification. An electric guitar, on the other hand, requires an external amplifier to produce sound. They typically have a solid body and use pickups to convert the vibration of the strings into an electric signal that can be amplified. Guitar pedals are small devices that are used to modify the sound of an electric guitar. There are many different types of pedals available, including distortion, delay, and reverb. The guitar neck is the long, thin part of the guitar that connects the headstock to the body. It is divided into frets, which are the small metal bars that run perpendicular to the strings. To play a guitar, you can either use your fingers or a guitar pick. A guitar pick is a small piece of plastic that is used to strum or pick the strings. Tuning your guitar is an essential step in playing. A guitar tuner is a device that helps you adjust the pitch of each string to the correct note. A guitar strap is a piece of fabric or leather that attaches to the guitar and allows you to play while standing up. It helps to distribute the weight of the guitar and prevents it from slipping. Finally, it's important to protect your guitar when you're not playing it. A guitar case is a protective case that is designed to keep your guitar safe during transportation or storage. Well, that's everything you need to know about guitars. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, we hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please check out the details in the description below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more related content.